Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2002 Ford Thunderbird hardtop convertible. This one is painted in iconic Thunderbird blue with the two-tone black and aqua interior. This color was only available in 2002 for this generation of Thunderbird. So coming to the rear, we got the trunk. So let's take a look under here. So it's all lined under here. Inside the trunk, we have the convertible boot. So that is if you had the soft top off, down, and that would cover that. You can see it's all lined in the trunk, so nice and pretty. I'll go ahead and close the trunk lid here, and we'll zoom out here so you can see the hardtop is installed right now, and it looks great. All matches the body. Coming here, you can see that beautiful color. You can see the metallic in it, looking great. There's your tail lights, and we have the Thunderbird emblem on the back. A throwback to the 50s, and then we have the dual exhaust tips underneath with the bright tips. We'll go ahead and check out the wheels next. So we'll start with the passenger side. So on this side here we have the 17-inch aluminum wheel, and it looks wonderful. Tire size is a 235/50 R17, and that's all the way around the car. Take a look at the front wheel now, and you can see it matches, looks just as good, and we have the bright red brake calipers behind that. Okay, coming to the interior. So we have the two-tone interior. It's a black door panel. You can see the brushed metal finish there with the chrome door handle, and then down on the armrest portion is the aqua color. Really beautiful against this color. And then we have the power locks and then the power windows. I'll show you the dash on this side here. Looking great. Again, that trim continues with the Thunderbird script there. Open the glove box, you can see it's got the owner's manual in here. Through the jams here, looking great, nice and tidy. Your kick plate looks great. And then down below we have the carpeted floor mats and the power seats. And it's like a captain chair, so it's a nice comfy seat, and it gets a two-tone, so the black outside with the aqua center, and it's just a unique color. Here's your Thunderbird logo in the backrest there, and then your nice headrest right there. Let's go ahead and close this door, and we'll check out the back here so you can see the beautiful fender lines here with the Thunderbird script there on the back fenders. And then if you come down here, you can see that beautiful hardtop with the circular window here. Again, a throwback to the 50s versions. The windshield surround is done in chrome. We have the colored match mirrors. And look down the side here, you can see how beautiful this paint is, nice and shiny. And then we'll make our way to the engine compartment. So underneath the hood, you can see the hood liner looks wonderful, nice and clean. Here's your engine. So it's a 3.9 liter 32 valve double overhead cam V8 producing 252 horsepower. It's paired to the 5-speed automatic transmission. So you can see it looks great under here. Close this hood now. We'll step back, take a look at how beautiful this car looks. So it's got the nice chrome grille there, the fog lights integrated inside. Nice headlights, nice and clear. And look at the paint. Just shines spectacularly. Coming through here, we can see it's got the hood scoop. Again, a throwback to the 50s Thunderbirds. And then we'll come to the front side here. Check out the wheels. So again, the wheels looking great there. And the last wheel here. Looks great. All right, coming to the door panels. So we have the nice matching door panel on this side, the black, the metal brushed finish, chrome door handles, power locks, power windows, and again that aqua door rest, and a nice design here, kind of a tuck and roll design. Show you the dash on this side now. There we are. Door jams look great. Kick plate looking good, nice and clean throughout. Your pedals down there, carpeted floor mats, and your power seats. And we'll scan the condition here. They look almost like new. There we are. Okay, now we'll hop in the car. And we'll check out over here. So we got the nice vents over here. Headlight controls here. You got your power dash dimming lights here. Here's your power mirror functions. Down below we have a traction control button. On the steering column we got power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Here we have your headlight controls. On the wheel itself here you got your cruise control settings. And then we have Bluetooth here and your audio settings here. And we'll go ahead and start the car. So we got keys here with the fobs. Goes right in here. Start it up. And we'll zoom out here so you can see the steering wheel. So you can see it's got the nice aqua down here. And then around here we have the leather wheel. Feels great. Feels like new, really. And then coming into the dash itself, you can see it's got the white face gauges. Something really popular back in the early 2000s. And it still looks great. Mileage on this car, 9,028 miles. So very low mileage car. So if we convert that to kilometers, that's about 14,500-ish. Okay, making our way to the visors here. You can see they look great. They're both there. This is the hardtop. You can see it's all lined as well. Coming back here, you got your tray there, and you got a nice finish wrap around here. You can see the buttons there. That'd be where your convertible boot cover goes. It just snaps into place there. Coming here, we got your vents, and then down below we have your stereo control. So it's a 6-disc CD changer, and then we have your climate controls here. So it's climate controlled, and we have your 12-volt socket here. You got your power convertible top function here. Here's your airbag on off, and your 12-volt socket here. Here we have your automatic transmission control, and it's done in the aqua color. Really cool. And again, it's a 5-speed automatic. Coming down here, you can see the cup holders. So we got the chrome around here, 2 cup holders, nice console cover with leather. Open this up, put my hand in here. So you can see it's kind of cozy in there, but you still got a nice console in there. Here we got the e-brake handle. Now we'll open the door, and I'll turn on the headlights. Those are the windshield wipers, and well, let's give it a couple revs. So you can hear the engine is nice and healthy. Sounds great. Now we'll hop out of the car. We'll close this door now, and we'll make our way to the front. I'll show you those headlights on this car. So they're nice and bright, looking great. So this car has already been 5-stage polished by our team, so you can see it's ready to go. I'll just turn it down to the side here. Great looking car. And you can transform the look when you got the convertible top down as well. Also want to point out we have the hardtop stand here that comes with the car. So that'd be your factory stand, so you can store the stand upwards in your garage or wherever. So here we have it. This is a 2002 Ford Thunderbird hardtop convertible with a soft top as well. This one is painted in the iconic 2002 only color in Thunderbird Blue with the nice 2-tone black and aqua interior. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.